Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you my friend that how to test our engines, Gasoline engines status, that what is status in our spark plugs and what looks like in this one, that are these working okay, and then also that how works this spark plug cables and ignition coils. And next I will show the idea that how to test these things, because in sometimes we have issues with these things and then our car it don't start. We have issue with car starting. And let's look what happens next, and please enjoy. Okay, and now I have take that my spark plug away, and it looks like that one. And firstly I have to check that this spark plug sparking area looks like similar than in here. That there is this upper metallic part and then this central inner part. This is like first test. And then I have to test a look that this area, what is this white material, ceramic, that this is solid, that there is no any fractures. And when I have tested that, and then I look also in that inner area, and there must be this whole gap in here. Excellent. And this spark plug looks good, and for that replace I need this socket, what size is 16 millimeters, and it fits in here, this my spark plug. And then of course a little bit longer bar, and there is this flange, and opening direction is in that way, and in this way I took away that my spark plug. But then this for this testing, because now I am thinking that what is this my engine status, because my car engine it don't start, and that's I have to now test that how works these spark plugs. And for that purpose I install this my spark plug in this spark plug cable, and then I have to connect with this metallic area, that one, this metallic steel area. I have to connect in that engine's steel area in that way. And then we have connection, and then when I install that this one in here, now it's ready for testing. And now I need my assistant who starts this engine, because now I have to look this this area, that can I see in there any sparking. And let's go to look that closer. And then my friend, warning message: do not ever touch the spark with hands or in here or in that cable when we are starting, because this electricity and voltage, they are so high and powerful that they can kill you. And this is dangerous job. We can only watch like in distance, what is like 2 feet away in here, that what is happening. But now we zoom in that focus and we look that how works this my Honda Civic engines sparking and spark plugs. And now we are testing the spark plug and also spark plug cables. And I have to do that test for all of these my spark plugs one by one. I take this cable firstly away, and then I open these spark plugs in that way that I install this my socket in their inside. Very easy. But now we test these spark plugs, what is in here, in that spark plug number 2, and it is in that one. And let's look that can we see in here any sparking. Okay, and now we have nice close view, and now when I go to rotate this my ignition key, in that area we should see some sparking. And if we can see the sparking, this our spark plug and cables are okay, and if we don't see anything, then we have issue in spark plugs and cables, and we need to replace these parts, all parts. But let's test what happens next. Okay, and then if we like to see this sparking better, we can turn off all lights, and soon I will show you that how it looks like when I turn off lights, and then I take also away all of these my spark plugs, and I connect these spark plugs in that way, and then we look at sparking. And final step is to check that what is result. And let's look what happens when I turn off lights. I turn off lights next. Okay, and then this final result tells to me that my sparking system is okay and there is no any issues, and then why my car don't and not starts, there is still something defect in this my engine, and I continue this my defect search and defect investigation. And please, my friend, please look next video where I will see that in what part I will test next. And thank you for watching that video.